In today's video, we will learn about control in tally prime, and that means I want to know if I want to set a credit limit on my debtors. So how do I do that? So I will try to learn this. For this, come here and create a new company. I want to create a new company. For this, press F3 and then go with create company. I want to put the name of the company, which is control. So control limited, enter, state West Bengal, enter, keep pressing enter, accept yes. I don't want to make any changes except the GST. I want to make this no and press Ctrl A for save. The company creation is complete. Now I will create a ledger of XYZ Ltd because XYZ Ltd is our debtors. You can check the example which I try to solve in our description. That will help you to learn this. For this, come here, get your tally, then go with create, then go with ledger, then put the name of the sundry debtors, which is XYZ Ltd. For my example, XYZ Ltd. This is the sundry debtors, so we will put sundry debtors here. Bill by bill will be yes. You can see I have a option of specify credit limit. If you don't see this option of specify credit limit, then press F12 on your keyboard, and here you can see provide credit limit, made it yes, and use inventory allocation for ledger, made it yes. But if you don't made this yes, you can't see these options. So made those yes and save by pressing Ctrl A. So I will specify the credit limit as mentioned in our example, which is 30,000. 30,000 I provide this. Override credit limit using post dated transaction, made it yes. This is a minute and etc. Override, and these all the details are putting here. Press enter, keep press enter. I don't want to put any opening balance, so press enter, accept yes. Now I will make another ledger called sales. So write the name of the ledger sales. It will be under sales account. Sales account. Inventory affected. Yes, made it yes, and not applicable. Type of ledger not applicable. Press enter, save the screen. Now we will create our units, which we mentioned in our question. For this, come here, get web tally, then go with create, then select unit, then create the number of unit, which is pieces. Formal name is pieces, PIECES. Pieces. Decimal will be 0. Accept yes. Now come here, list of master, and here we will create our stock item. So press enter on stock item and write the stock item, which we take an example, which keyboard. Put this, press enter. Under primary category not applicable, the units is pieces. So made it pieces. Quantity, I want to put quantity of 200. Rate per piece is 250. The value is automatically calculated and accept yes. Now we will try to pass an entry which exceeds the credit limit, which is 30,000. Our credit limit is 30,000. Now I want to make an entry over this credit limit. Then we can see our tally prime will not allow us to make this entry. For this, come here, get your tally, then go with vouchers. Here we can see the vouchers entries. Made it sales, press F8. The sales window is open. Press F2 for changing the date. I want to put the date is 01/07/2024, like this. Party account name will be XYZ Ltd. Skip this for now. credit limit. You can see the credit limit is showing here. Sales ledger will be sales. Name of funds, seeing the name of fund, press spacebar. You can see our item, which is keyboard. Now I want to put over our credit limit period. I want to put 150 quantity, which is rate is 300 per. So it will over, the total amount is over our credit limit. So this will not make the diagram will not make me will not allow me to make this entry. Keep press enter. It will be new reference. Made it, I made it 1. Here you can see the credit limit of XYZ Limited is 30,000 debit exceeded. Current is 45,000, which is I want to make this. So this is not allowing me and giving me warning about our credit limit. Here in this way you can put all these sundry debtors credit limits, and you can see all these credit limits when you may try to make entries. Thank you for watching.